In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send documents to multiple signers in Docusign in the easiest way possible. We'll work through the process step by step, so even if you're completely new to Docusign, you'll find it simple and straightforward by the end. Let's get started. First things first, let's head over to the Docusign website. This is where most of our work will be done today, so open up your web browser and navigate to Docusign's homepage. Once you're there, you'll see the login option at the top right corner of the page. Click on that. This step is all about accessing your Docusign account, so make sure you have your login credentials handy. If this is your first time logging in, or if you've forgotten your password, remember there are options to help you recover access to your account. Once you're logged into your account, you'll find yourself at the Docusign home. This is your dashboard or control center of sorts. From here, you'll be able to start new documents, view those in progress, and check completed agreements. We want to initiate a new document for signing, so keep your focus on this workspace. Next, look for the Start button. It's where you'll begin the process of setting up a new document to be signed. Think of this as the starting line of our document signing journey. Clicking Start will lead you to the next steps, adding your recipients. Adding recipients is a crucial part of the process, especially if you're sending a document to multiple signers. Click on Add Recipient to start including the people you need to sign the document. It's similar to adding email addresses in your email client. You'll just need the names and email addresses of all your signers. Input the first recipient, and before moving on, double check the details for accuracy. It's important to avoid any errors here, as incorrect information can cause delays or miscommunications. Once you've added your first signer, you can proceed to add multiple recipients. This section is aptly named Add Multiple Recipients. Here, you'll enter the additional names and email addresses sequentially. Remember, Docusign allows you to add multiple signers easily, making it a powerful tool for streamlining the agreement process when you have several parties involved. So, take advantage of it and list everyone who needs to sign. That covers our guide for sending a document to multiple signers. Each step we've covered today is designed to ensure the process is as smooth and efficient as possible, while also ensuring that all necessary parties receive and can sign the document. With Docusign's capabilities, you can manage agreements quickly and securely, making this a valuable skill for personal and professional use alike. Thanks for joining in, and get signing.